In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily open the YouTube audio library on your mobile phone. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, open the YouTube app. Once you do that, click on your profile or on the About You section. Then once you do that, click on this gear tool right over here. And then scroll down. And then under the Help and Policy, click on the Help option. Once you do that, you're going to be given this search bar right over here. Click on it and then search for audio library. And it's going to say use music and sound effects from audio blah blah library. Click on it. And then as you can see, it's going to give you the option to open the YouTube audio library. As you can see, this text right over here says you can also access the audio library directly at YouTube. So click on this link. You can then click on the continue to studio option. And it's going to load just now. So as you can see, it has taken me to the YouTube audio library directly from my YouTube app on my mobile phone. So that's how you can easily access the YouTube audio library directly from your mobile phone. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.